In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything I got during the Black Friday sale, both online and in stores. Even though the sale isn't a huge deal in India, I managed to get a lot of things that were on my wish list, so I hope you like the video.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. The lighting looks extremely weird. I just cannot do anything with it. Yes, it's a little too bright, like on your face, but when I reduce it like that, actually this looks fine, right? So the reason I'm filming this video because I got a few products in the Black Friday sale and I've already started using it, and before I finish it I just want to like show you guys what I got this time. I just made up my mind that I'm going to make this video today. It's so hard. Okay, I'm just gonna like change this and come back. Okay, so firstly, let me just perfect. Okay, so firstly I'm just gonna show you guys all of my clothes so that I can like move all this away from this place, so that you know I don't like spill any of my makeup or like anything into my clothes. Let's start with Urbanic. I've already like opened the bag, but for the sake of the thumbnail I had to like put it all in. So I'm just gonna open this and show you guys what we have right here. Okay, so let's just start off with the first thing from Urbanic, and it's these jeans, and it's amazing. Let me just show you guys. It's so good. So basically it is just a pair of black jeans. It looks so perfect. I'll just look at this. It looks perfect. So these jeans are in trend right now. The jeans that fit perfectly around your waist, which are high-waisted and like it flows loosely, you know, around your legs. So these are so good. Like the material is amazing and the fit is just perfect. So I just like followed the exact measurements from Urbanic's size chart. I didn't like size up, I didn't size down. I just followed the same exact measurements and it ended up being perfect. Material is amazing, the fit is amazing, the quality is also really good. And this is the first thing that we have from Urbanic. Let me just get a like perfect. So the next thing that we got from Urbanic is another black top, and I really love this as well. This nice top. So this is how it looks. You can see it right here. I wore it in one of my reels. It's like a shirt top. You might have to wear something inside because like you can see my hands. You can wear something nice. You can wear a little bralette or like a little crop top, or you can totally like cover it up. You can wear it however you want. The quality is okay. It's not amazing. So I mean, you get what you're paying for. This was like 450 bucks after the Black Friday sale. I'll like attach all the links to the products in the description box below if you guys want to like buy it. The thing that we have from Urbanic is this green top. That's like the last thing that we have from Urbanic. It has this beautiful sage plus grass green color. Doesn't have a name, but it looks so beautiful. I like the material. The material is not bad. It's good. So it's a full-on button-up shirt. This is how it looks, and it fits me, but I cannot like put on all of the buttons, and this was like the last size in Urbanic's website. That is something I really do not like about Urbanic. The size range is very less, and if you have shopped on Urbanic, you would know what I'm talking about. If you're smaller or skinnier, you guys would perfectly fit into this. This is a beautiful top again. I love this. So yeah, so I've ordered 2 more pieces on Urbanic. I'll just show you guys a picture of it. So I'll just attach a picture of it if it comes before I edit and post this video, but if it doesn't, you'll probably see me wearing it in my future videos. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing that we got from Forever 21 was this beautiful vest coat. Like, look at this. This is perfect. It fits me so well. This is actually in a size L because I couldn't find an M, so I had to pick up L. But it fits me so well. It looks beautiful. Pink is my favorite color, and like bubblegum pink is so in trend right now, so I absolutely love this piece. I've been wanting to have a few like, you know, vest coats because like you can style it in so many different ways. I'll probably post a video on my reels showing you guys different ways that you can style a vest coat. Yeah, that one's coming. General vest coats, button-down t-shirts, jackets, and boots, bags, and you know, stuff like that are such investment pieces. You should totally have in your wardrobe. Next thing is again from Forever 21, and it is this beautiful little sweater. I was kind of oscillating if I should buy this or not because like I wasn't sure if I was gonna wear this after this whole flower trend goes away. So I'm so glad that I got this. It looks so beautiful. This is how it looks, and the material, you guys, the material is so good. So the print is so in trend right now, the model is in trend, so I love this. So right now I'm gonna show you guys two basic pieces that I picked up from H&M. So we have this like plain white shirt. You can wear this with literally anything. So basically it's like this cropped white shirt. I wouldn't probably wear this on its own because it's not really my style. It might be someday, but right now it's not. I needed this in my wardrobe. I used to like always steal it from my dad if I wanted it for a video, but then I figured I needed one for myself. And because it's cropped, I need not like, you know, worry about tucking it in or doing anything with the bottom. Like I can just wear this and wear the waistcoat on top and get done with it. That's it. That's like one basic piece from H&M and I love it. The next thing from H&M is such a steal, you guys. Like this corduroy jacket from H&M. I got this for like 600 bucks because it was on sale. It looks huge, I know, but like the size is XS. I have no clue how that makes sense, but yeah, it's XS, and I just kind of feel that this style doesn't really suit me, or if I would wear this often. But I'm glad that I got it. I love it. I can wear it with so many pieces if I want to or if I had to. So yeah. So the last piece of clothing is from Zara. We just have one from Zara. It is this little green top. The color, it's just perfect. Like this color, I've been wanting to get something in this color for a really long time, since this color started trending. The only reason I got this top was for the color, and also I love like the, you know, scrunching thing on to both sides. I don't own a t-shirt like this, so like I thought might as well get one of this, and the color is beautiful, so I absolutely love this piece. And I will also click a picture and like attach it right here for you guys to see the exact color of this top, because it is not this color, okay? It is not what you see in the screen right here. So you guys should Google Kelly green. So Kelly green is a color that is trending right now. It is this color. I guess actually that's it. That's it for the clothing. Coming to my favorite part, makeup. The things that I'm gonna show you right now are the things that I've always been wanting since years now. I wanted to like save up or like earn my own shit to like pay for these makeup, and that's exactly what I did. Not only for makeup but for like everything that I showed you guys in this video. So yeah, and also all of these makeup are all the OG stuff, like you guys would know. Just wait for it. So let's just start off with this box right here. So firstly, we have this little kit from Benefit. Actually, this kit is still available on Nykaa. This was probably especially made for the Pink Friday sale, but after that it did not go out of stock. It is still on stock on Nykaa. Like during the Pink Friday sale, you would have gotten free stuff with it. I did not, because like I ordered it later during the Pink Friday sale. I kept waiting and waiting to see if better offers are gonna come, and it did not. The free stuff also went away, so I did not get the free stuff. But this product is like totally worth buying. Like both of these are something that I absolutely wanted ever since I knew about them. So in this little kit, you get a full-sized Benetint, and a mini Hoola bronzer. This is how the little, you know, bronzer looks like. It comes with a small brush, and so the actual price of the Benetint is 2,900 rupees, and this one's price is 1,600 rupees. But you get both of it together for 2,500 bucks, which is a huge steal. These products, you guys, I have used it. I'm not gonna lie, I've used all of the makeup products except for one product, but I've used both of these. Benetint is everything, okay? Like Benetint is what I needed for my face. It just makes your face look so fresh all the time. It gives you a little bit of, you know, that little pop of gloss, which looks amazing on your face. It makes your face look so fresh. And it's not like other makeup tints that when you like put on your face and by the time you pick up your beauty blender, it is already stained. It's not like that. You cannot find a dupe for this tint, okay? I have tried that. There is a number of YouTube videos that show you dupes for Benetint, but you might get the color, you might get the finish, but the way it blends, you guys, you will not, okay? So this is so worth it. It is worth all the 2,500 bucks or less, you know, it is worth it. And the Hoola bronzer is amazing. It blends so well. The color, I think it'll just match every single skin tone. I have no clue how. There's just one single shade in the Hoola bronzer and this would match every skin tone. And The next product that I got is again an OG product. I have been wanting this since years now. Okay, so yeah, this one's Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And again, this one's worth every single penny. I was asking reviews for this from a few of my friends, but I knew that I was gonna get it. And all the hype, it was not for nothing. Like, let me just show you. I've used a little bit of it. Just used like the smallest amount of it. But yeah, I've been using it for like a week now. So this is what I have on my eyebrows right now. And I guess the packaging's glass, even the Benetton's glass, I cannot handle makeup products for shit, you guys. I always end up breaking all of my makeup, so I am really gonna try hard this time. And for this eyebrow pomade, I got a little you know, mascara free. Like it's tiny, okay, it's only like this much probably. It's so cute. I'll probably use it for, you know, one of my makeup videos or like Instagram videos. It's so cute. I haven't used it, but it's so cute. And this pomade doesn't like come with a brush. You'll have to get your own brush or use whatever you have. So the brush that I use is this one from Benefit. I got this from Cult Beauty long back, and one side is you know, it has this angled brush for eyebrows, and the other side is this spoolie. So it's just so versatile. You can use it on your eyebrows so easily. The next product that I got is this Too Faced lip injections. I got 2 of it because like I just cannot get enough of, you know, the whole plumping lips concept. I love it. So this is how it looks. This is the lip injection extreme, and one is in the flavor bubblegum, and the other one's just the normal, you know, lip injection extreme version. I don't want to get the normal lip injection. I got the extreme because I'm 100% sure that any normal lip plumping stuff wouldn't work on my lips, because my lips are so immune right now to all the lip plumping products. I've tried everything. I've literally applied raw cinnamon oil on my lips and let it burn, okay? I've let it burn like that. Nothing can hurt my lips. So I had to get the extreme and give it a try. So let me get into the actual review about this product. So what I did for the first time was just apply it on my lips like normal when I already had some lip balm on my lips. And I didn't see a lot of difference, okay? I left it for a few minutes. I left it for probably 5 to 10 minutes. And it did sting just a little bit, okay? Like 2 out of 10. I just asked one of my friends who has this, and she was telling me that I should be overlining my lips with the same lip gloss. And I removed all of my lip balm and everything that I had on my lips and like applied it. And that's when I saw like the actual results, okay? It started to like sting after like a few seconds itself, and it did plump up a little. And the third time I used it, the way I used it was I removed all of the products on my lips. There was like barely any, there was like nothing. And then I took like a towel and like scrubbed my lips fully, like fully scrubbed my lips off. And I went on directly with this lip injection extreme. No lip balm, nothing. I just went on directly with it, also overlined it, and it started stinging, okay? It started stinging in like a few seconds itself, and it did plump up really well. If you guys want to get lip injection, highly recommend. This is so worth it. Actually get this combo if you still have the combo in Nykaa. I'm not sure. I'll just check again and like let you guys know if there's a link. I'll like attach it below. But yeah, highly recommend. My camera's battery died, so I had to like wait for an hour for it to like charge. So yeah, it's already like night right now. The next product that I got is again from Too Faced, and it is the Diamond Light highlighter. I love this product again. So this is how the product looks. It comes in this very fancy packaging. Like this is the outer packaging, and when you open it, that's where the highlighter is. Again, it opens like this. I haven't used this, but I can tell you guys this look amazing on your face. And I got this highlighter kind of impulsively, and not because I've always wanted it or anything, but I love it. It looks so good. I haven't touched it yet. Actually, let me just like show you guys. You guys, this is it. I wouldn't say the glitters are too fine, like one of those Wet n Wild highlighters. I mean, Wet n Wild highlighters are all that I use every day. They're the best. But this one, I really like it. I mean, it's weird that I like it because it has chunky glitters, but I really do. It is beautiful. So we got 2 little mini free products for these products, and one of this is this little mascara. So we have this, and another one is this little pillow cream. This you guys should look at the package, and I'll open it for you guys. You can see it clearly. It's called the Hangover Pillow Cream, and this is how the box looks. For the Damn Girl mascara, I haven't used this mascara yet. I'm pretty sure this is a good mascara, like the Damn Girl mascara. Everybody talks about it, but I'm not gonna buy it even if it is amazing. I have 2 mascaras that I use on an everyday basis. They're cheap and they haven't done me dirty yet. So I literally opened all of my. I got just 3 products from Myntra, all drugstore, and I have opened all the packaging. This is literally how I open all of my packaging. So first one, Bio Oil. Bio Oil is good. This is a good product. I haven't seen much results with it, but I heard a lot of people that say that have seen results with this product. So yeah, Bio Oil. Next one's Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I had to like replace my old Fit Me Concealer because that was getting over, so I got and that's the last product. So glad it didn't break. It's from L'Oreal. I did use it a few times. I have no clue how I feel about it yet, but yeah, this is the Extraordinary Oil Serum from L'Oreal. Like, if I'm gonna buy a hair serum, I would be more than happy if you're gonna give it to me without any fragrance in it. The only L'Oreal fragrance that I can bear is I'll just like show it to you guys right here on the screen if I find a picture of it. But yeah, that is the only serum that I can bear, and this product is amazing. Okay, it's great. I use it all the time. I use it all the freaking time. But in general, like L'Oreal serums and their fragrances, no. It's just like, no, don't do it. It's annoying. I don't want to smell like a candle or like a room freshener everywhere I go. But this one, okay, this one, I should tell you guys, the first note of the fragrance, it is strong, okay? It is definitely strong. But as you just like put a little bit of it onto your hands and then you rub it onto your hair, it slowly fades away. It really does fade. And I did not smell anything after 10 seconds. This is a great serum that way. And the way it works, I've used it quite a bit of it. Like, I've used this much of it. I just take a little bit, use it on my hair. I have it on my hair right now, but I used it like a day or 2 back, like when I first washed my hair. Okay guys, so this is actually like day 2, and I kind of dressed up the same because I tried to make it look like the same day, but I just wanted dry shampoo for my hair, and I realized that I have a whole new package that I haven't opened yet. I'm just gonna like open this and like show you guys 3 products that we have inside. So the first one is this body lotion from Palmer's. This one's like a great body lotion. I literally made everyone in my family use it. My mom, dad, sister, everybody loves it. Even my grandfather has used it, so everybody loves it. If you have dry skin in your body, this is probably like the only lotion that you'll need. This is so moisturizing. When you like take a nice hot shower in the night before you go to bed and you just like slather it on your body, skin will feel so soft, and it lasts until the next morning. Even when you wake up, you'll feel that nice, you know, supple skin in the morning as well. So the next product is from Dove. It's the Dove's hair conditioner. I've used this twice, and I must say it, among all the Dove conditioners that I've used, this one's my favorite. The fragrance, 10 out of 10. Texture, 10 out of 10. This has this very different texture. All the Dove conditioners have different textures, and this one's like really smooth and almost a salve-like. Have you guys like touched homemade butter? That's how it feels in your hands. This is really nice, and also it doesn't smell too strong. This one's great. And also I use this today on my hair for my hair wash, and it makes my hair shiny, I guess. So that's that. And the last and final product from Nykaa is this dry shampoo. So this one's the Juicy Chemistries dry shampoo. It is the plantain and bamboo charcoal. I've used a whole bottle of it before, and I absolutely love it. If you're somebody that works out every single day, or like you sweat a lot, you need this in your life. I personally use it because my scalp is really oily and my hair is dry. I cannot like keep, you know, washing my hair, so I need a dry shampoo which I can use every single day, and this one doesn't have any chemicals in it, so I use this every day. So that is how it looks. You can just like take a little bit onto your palm and like rub it into your scalp. So I personally see a nice difference after I use this product, and that's why I got it. That is all that I got during this Pink Black Friday sale. Like I've already mentioned, the only Black Friday sale which is really good in India is the Pink Friday sale from Nykaa. So I don't think many stores have Black Friday sales in India. Like probably if you go to malls, they would have, you know, a little bit of offer. And the only biggest Black Friday sale in India is the Pink Friday sale, Nykaa's. I like it, you know, and I'm happy with all of the products that I got this time, to be very honest. I will not regret even one single product, mostly because these are the products that I've been wanting for a really long time. I am happy that I finally have it. So yeah, I love filming this video for you guys, and do not expect a haul video from me for Christmas or anything. And I also do have 2 more videos ready for you guys, so wait for it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.